What's up and welcome back, it's Zach. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing with you what I got on Deciem's website, specifically The Ordinary, during their 23% off all November long sale. Deciem doesn't believe in doing Black Friday because it's craziness. You feel like you have to buy everything on that Black Friday after Thanksgiving. A lot of the times you overspend or buy stuff that you don't need. And especially this year with COVID, I really appreciate a lot of other companies are doing the same thing. Instead of offering a sale just on that Friday, they're offering week-long ones, and that's really awesome. But with The Ordinary, they're offering month-long. Now, if you go on and check out, some things might be out of stock, but don't worry, they are going to restock throughout November. I kind of went a little crazy and went haywire, and I'm going to show you everything that I bought. I spent $150. I don't even know what I bought. Before we jump into this, please hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it. I don't want it to show any personal information. Usually it says Deciem on it, but this doesn't say anything. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's so much stuff. First things first, I got the glycolic acid 7% toning solution. I have used this before. This is great for exfoliating the skin. You can just take this on a cotton round. I also have been loving a new face wash by L'Oreal that is a glycolic acid and salicylic acid face wash. This might not be needed in my skincare routine anymore. We'll see. Okay, I bought 2 of them. Also, it was really fast shipping. It literally came in 6 days. That's so nice. Next up, I got the AHA 30%, BHA 2% peeling solution. This is a great exfoliating mask. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes. I usually do 5 to 10. It's super effective. Y'all have probably seen this on TikTok and all of that stuff. It's really, really effective, and it kind of looks like blood. That's another chemical exfoliant. It does have glycolic acid in it as well. Next up, this is a new product that I have not tried yet. This is the ascorbic acid 8%, alpha-arbutin 2%. So I have used the alpha-arbutin before from The Ordinary, and I really liked it, and then I used vitamin C. So I figured if I can combine those two, why not? This is what it looks like. It does expire within 6 months because vitamin C is not that stable. Next up, I got EUK 134, 10%, water-free, high-potency antioxidant formula. This, I figured I'd just try it. Everyone's talking about antioxidants in their skincare and if they work or not. I'm gonna do a video on how effective they are and what they really do. But I figured while there's a sale, this was, I think was like $5 or something. I figured I'll try it for $5, why not? My camera died, I'm so sorry. Ugh. Next product is the Buffet plus Copper Peptides 1%. Y'all already know I love the Buffet serum, but apparently when you add the copper peptides to the formulation, it makes it even more powerful. But this was like $25, and I'm like, I don't really need peptide, because peptides are good for plumping the skin and anti-aging. I don't really need either of those. So for me to drop $25, for me it's just not worth it. So I get the regular Buffet for like $14. But while this was on sale, I figured now's the time to get it. And I'll do a comparison to the regular Buffet and this. Every single package I'm getting is this formula. You guys, I'm used to having this kind of clear formula. This is the alpha-arbutin that I already have. And now every single thing that I've got has been in this. We are switching it up. And at any point, let me know in the comments down below if there's any product that you see that you really want a designated video to, and I'll make sure to speed that up and get that out for you guys. Next up, we've got the mandelic acid 10% plus hyaluronic acid. I have too many exfoliators. Mandelic acid I've never tried before. It is a more gentle exfoliator. It's a chemical exfoliator. So I figured I would test this out for you guys and let you know. I have a lot of exfoliating stuff going on. I'm gonna find the best one and let you guys know. It's supposed to be really gentle yet effective, which will be better for more sensitive skin. We've got a repurchase. This is the Buffet serum that I was just talking to you guys about. I got the big size because it's most price effective. One thing I'll let you know is that the Buffet expires 12 months with opening, but the new Buffet with copper peptides expires 6 months with opening. So I'm assuming that the formula is going to be a little bit different. It's going to feel different. I'm excited to do a comparison video for you guys. This is great. It's great for anti-aging and kind of plumping up the skin. You can use this right out of the shower as a serum, and then you can go ahead and apply on your moisturizer or sunscreen. Next up, I've got another peptide serum. I think I bought too much. This is the Matrixyl 10% plus hyaluronic acid. So this is going to be another peptide serum that's good for anti-aging and plumping. I've used this before. I really like the texture. If you feel like the buffet is too expensive, you can get the Matrixyl. All right, we're down to the final three. Okay, the caffeine solutions 5% plus EGCG. This is definitely a repurchase for my mom. She has bought, I don't know, 6 of these. She loves this stuff. It's great for your under eyes. It helps depuff. I personally don't use it, but if you're somebody that has puffy under eyes, you might want to look into this. The last 2 products are just stocking up products. It's again the Matrixyl 10% and the caffeine solutions. Just so that you guys don't think I'm lying to you, here you go. We got 2 Matrixyls and 2 caffeine solutions. That's everything that we got from The Ordinary. A lot of them are repurchases, but the stuff that is new, I'm excited to test it out and try it for you guys. I'll let you know if it's worth buying. Let me know in the comments down below, are you gonna get anything during the Deciem sale or have you already? I've tried a couple of products from their other lines. I tried from Hylamide before. I really liked that product, but to be honest, it is a more expensive price point, and since I like to test out new products constantly, it's not really worth me to continue to repurchase expensive products. Also, at my age, and since I do take care of my skin, it's more preventative measures, and I don't really need like 10 out of 10 top-notch skincare quality. But I do think that The Ordinary is pretty top-notch, especially that buffet serum. I mean, you get a lot of bang for your buck. One thing that I think a lot of people are going to get in the sale is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. I totally recommend that. I bought a 2-ounce bottle last time, so I still have that. That's also a great one. If you have acne-prone skin, oily skin, blemish-prone skin, or redness in your skin, you will want that one. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video with me. I'm super excited to try out all this stuff. Not like I needed it, but I also placed an order on Sephora during their VIB sale, and I bought a couple of skincare items from the Inky list. Don't hate me. You guys aren't gonna hate me. My wallet hates me. But I'm interested in learning and trying more out from the Inky list, so I will be showing that unboxing coming up on this channel. Definitely take advantage of these sales. They don't come that often. They come like once or twice a year. For The Ordinary, it's only during the month of November, so take advantage of it. Feel free to share this video with a friend and show them everything that I got and encourage them to try some skincare that's affordable from a brand like The Ordinary to hope that 2021 they can have better skin. And thank you so much guys for watching. I'm wishing you good skin and I hope you have a great day. Peace!